Flightless birds, fascinating creatures of the skies. Flightless birds, despite their inability to soar through the air, captivate us with their unique characteristics. Penguins, with their adorable waddling and expert swimming skills, are a prime example. Ostriches, the largest living birds, impress us with their lightning-fast sprints. Kiwis, small and elusive, mesmerize with their nocturnal habits and distinctive long beaks. But flightless birds aren't limited to these well-known species. The cassowary, emu, and dodo bird each possess their own intriguing traits. From the cassowary's colorful appearance to the emu's paternal instincts, these birds defy expectations. In a world of flyers, these ground-bound creatures stand out as remarkable and unforgettable. Despite being earthbound, they showcase the wonders of nature in their own remarkable ways.